What's up everyone, the one and only Big Vicious here, and today we're going to be talking about how to get your YouTube video to show up as the quality you actually recorded it in. So this is my video that I'm trying to upload to YouTube at a higher quality. So as you can see, this video is pretty high quality. Okay. And then if we look at it, it shows a resolution of 3840 by 2160. So pretty high resolution, right? But then let's close out of that. If you go into YouTube over here, it's showing as only 144p and 360p. So why is that? The answer basically is that your video is still processing, and you just need to wait longer for it to process, and eventually it will go to 1080p, 4K, whatever resolution you're trying to get it at. So the simple answer is just wait a few hours and it will eventually fix itself and you should be good to go. But yeah, just to look at this video on YouTube right now, obviously a way lower quality than we were watching it at before on my video. So yeah, just wait a few hours and that should be able to fix itself. I hope that helps you guys out. The one and only Big Vicious signing out.